Hi everyone, you're welcome to today's video tutorial. Today we are going to unbox Android TV MiBox 4K Ultra HD setup box. Okay, so you just got this from the mail, so you can see it's tightly closed, so we're gonna unbox it right now. Okay, so just get a knife, to open the seal from here. This, I guess, yeah, this is the instruction manual. Okay, but we don't need it right now, so we keep it by the side. And you see the box, open it from here. Okay, we haven't opened this too. Open this from here. That is it. So open the box. This is the latest. Here the USB port here, and this is the HDMI cable. This is for the audio, audio here, and why this is for the cable. You have to connect to the electricity. And then this is it. And what do we have here? Okay, this is the setup manual. And what do we have here? Also the guide, step-by-step guide. And what do we got here? Yeah, this is the connection cable. The cable goes to this point here, and why this end plug it to the electricity. Okay, and this one here is a HDMI cable. So cut it off. And with the HDMI cable, you can see it's tightly sealed. So remove the cap, and also remove the other end. It has two ends. Also remove this. This end goes to the MiBox, directly here. And why this is connected to the TV. Okay, so and here is the remote control. You can see the remote. It has a Netflix button here, and this is for the menu. This is for the menu. Also settings, and all of this, you need it, to the left, the right, down, front, and this is okay. Power button, turn off and turn off button. Settings button, this is a, volume control, the plus minus, and that is it, So let's see. No battery, so you have to put in batteries. That is it. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video you will be notified. Thank you so much. Bye.